See, no one has to see this. No one's going to see this. Oh, I want my mask on, please. Thank you.
What the hell's the matter with you?
Nothing now.
About time you found some sense.
Yep, finding some sense. How do they know what I look like? I've not committed a crime here. Well, now I'm wanted for murder, and that's like 30. Bloody. Okay. It's like a $30 bounty. I mean, I did just make 175. I think I'll be fine, but still. Oh, rabbit! No! Rabbit's okay. Rabbit is okay.
Yeah.
So I need to go back to camp to tell John we're leaving. I'm sorry, I wish you could disable this slow motion feature when you're doing that.
Please, friend. You gotta help me out here. Come on, please. I'm about done here. If I don't get these shackles off soon, I'm goner. Please.
This is crazy.
Just shoot the shackles. One bullet, that's all.
I mean, maybe if you could get out of the move away, please.
Hey! Jesus. Point the gun at the shackles now. Please.
There you go.
Oh, thank God. Oh, I've waited to hear that noise for so long.
Yeah, I bet.
I wish I could give you some money. Well, you know, I might have something of interest. Some fat feller and his wife had a pig farm, northeast of Rhodes, near the border with Roanoke. Word is he's got piles of money.
You sure I'm the right person for this sort of information?
I ain't saying nothing.
Right, I'm gonna go take you to the police. Bounty $10. You know what? I'll be fine with a $10 bounty. You just stay there and think about your actions, okay?
John, let's get on. Good. And you? Got everything we need. Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur?
Was that whole mission?
Get that done.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Arthur is big funny. Hello, Abigail.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
With your uncle, Arthur.
Sure. It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah, fish. Love catching fish. Oh my god. How come the little child can go faster than me? No, I'm not gonna wait for Jack. We're gonna leave. Alright, okay. Well then, yeah, that's fine. Little Jack.
I'm sure someone can get you another storybook.
I wonder who that person's gonna be.
Alright. This looks as good a spot as any.
Let's get Jack another storybook. Not today, in like another month though. I'm taking my time with this game.
Uncle Arthur.
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
you show me where, Uncle Arthur?
First, we need some bait. I'm gonna need some
Cheese.
Cheese?
Smellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
You've got a bite, Uncle Arthur?
There we go.
I see. I see.
Did it so fast the game doesn't even think it was. I'm spinning it. Just thinks it's moving left, right, so it's not really working. But caught a little bluegill.
Look, Jack, it's a red-fin pickerel. It's almost as small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Yeet!
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Yes. You can make something.
I'm gonna pick some of those red flowers. I'll be right back.
Okay, bye bye. Bye, Jack.
There, got him. You see him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him in.
Shake.
This one's a chain pickerel. Not bad.
Yay! Let's go see how Jack's doing. Okay. If you really want me to do one more catch, I'll do it. Okay, game? We do it.
You gotta stick at things, Jack.
I know.
See that cast, Jack?
Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
I know. Boring as hell. But then, something happens. You can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit, wait, try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Huh. Something's tugging at your rod, Uncle Arthur.
Fish on the line.
Pull him in.
Well, seems like he's taking a rest now. I'm gonna try reeling him in nice and steady.
Yes, nice and steady. Well, this is quite a big one. Yeah, bye bye. Being kind.
Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000?
Dollars.
For me?
You didn't have to do
myself
that.
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn. You have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent.
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not playing the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender.
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, dear.
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid. While you still can.
Pretty sure
Who were
Jack
they?
goes back in the first game.
One at all.
You get to play as Jack for
pick up
after
your
you've
things
done
and get
the main story. I'm pretty sure you go and you find him fishing at a lake and you murder him. So get noobed. We ain't gonna rat them out.
Mother be worried. Let's head back.
Come on, Jack. Now.
Okay, boy?
Oh, this game in first person could be really good. First person that I'm gonna play through probably most of this game
Why
in
did
first
you lie
person
about
now.
where Uncle Dutch is?
Because those are disagreeable men. And I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us. Protect you.
Probably
Like
laughing at
them.
me.
Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It
Oh.
is.
Sorry, chicken.
How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Not the luckiest. Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here. Well, you followed back here? No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Yes.
It ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
We can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, What do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yo, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
Let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Compare me to that early turd.
Kid? I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
Sean is the best.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Yeah.
Yes, because we are going to go earn a lot of money.
All the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
What just happened?
This is what I mean. I disappeared.
Oh, Javier. Wait, no, Charles. I'm sorry.
Just the action that requires a break.
Oh, I went a wee bit too bumpy and Javier just fell off.
Oh, get on the road.
That's funny.
You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new...
He's funny though.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire. Yeah. Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving.
Well, that's not enough time for a train to slow down, is it?
Here she comes.
I mean, guess it is. But actually, you know what? It probably is because it isn't going that fast. Like a horse can slow down that fast. This is such a nice shot. And they're just hiding in the bushes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
I need to get up there. Finish up here. Join us on board.
Bastard. All right, get on that train. All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and don't let you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuable. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
I ain't got nothing.
Want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Sure. What's the problem here? Money. Valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Okay.
$144. Let's go.
Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right, Jack. Tough guy, huh? You sure about
I
that?
ain't wasting my time.
You sure this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here?
Give us the goddamn money. Give me all your goddamn money.
We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Don't make me hurt you. Run in now! Son of a bitch.
Give me the goddamn money.
Be shy. Everything we got. Let's go.
Money. I'm going to this next car. I'm literally just gonna go shut up in the air a couple of times.
You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks are muscle. You hear me?
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
From the baggage car,
Christ's
okay.
sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! For fuck's sake! I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish slit. Get up!
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but we're seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Okay, that wasn't that bad money. What was that, like $11? Some jewellery.
Rich, all right.
Yep. $300. So how many people are here? We've got
Just keep your eyes peeled. I know, that's what's worrying me.
Alright.
why can't I?
Probably be going now.
No, because I have
Arthur, we got a
got,
problem.
let's see, there's
Two
one,
arseholes on horses. How
okay,
many,
three,
you
there's
say?
4 people
Like you
here,
see a
so
pair
I
of
get
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
Men come out the train now, do you hear?
half of it gets split between 4
We
people.
said you men come out
It's
now.
like
There's only
all
two
11%, so get about like probably about $100 at the end.
Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberals.
Eh? There's a few more than turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Deal with them, all right, we will. How do they know who I am?
Last
Okay.
chance. Drop your weapons and get off the train.
Oh, coming through the trees, you see them?
Do I see the other people coming through the trees?
We got more of the bastards riding in.
Oh, the way his body just like curled there. Ah. Man's dead if you didn't know. I shot off his hat. Ouch.
Come on, boys. Let's get the hell out of here.
Yep. We are going to do that. Yeah, fellas, we're clear.
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big tank, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.